Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today, we will discuss the topic a case study. What is a case study? What is a case? A case can be a singular person, a particular situation, or a special event which has certain very special and notable features. The case may be also a success, a failure, or a problem. A study of such cases will help others to achieve similar success or avoid similar failure. A case study will help the researchers to identify the unique peculiarities of the cases discussed. It is a better way to learn about a subject and to study real-life examples of similar situations. Case studies are useful for others to learn from the features or issues discussed. An effective case study can help people, business, and organizations in their future planning. Now let us see an example of a case study in the business world. Here, a case study refers to the investigation of a particular business problem inside a company or in the current market conditions. Suppose you are the manager of an e-commerce company and the sales of your company is going down over a few months. Now your company asks you to write a case study to analyze and present issues related to the sales and also provide proper suggestions and recommendations to the company. Thus, a case study refers to a method of analysis of a problem or certain unique features. Case studies present realistic, complex and complicated situations. They often involve a dilemma, conflict, or a problem. There are 5 different types of case studies. Cases related to person. This case study would use several types of research to determine an outcome. Cases related to group. This could be a family, a group or a friends or even co-workers. Cases related to a location. It focuses on a place and how and why people use the place. Cases related to organization or a company. This could include the people who work for the company or an event that occurred at the organization. Case study of event. It focuses on an event, whether cultural or societal, and how it affects those that are affected by it. For our present study, we will learn case study as a document. Case study as a document is a written account that gives detailed information about a person, group, or thing and their development over a period of time. Case studies can be used as an instructional strategy or a teaching tool. Case studies are thus most usually used in teaching of medicine, law, and business. A particular case is given to the students and they are asked to prepare a case study. The question is how to write a case study. You can follow these points. First, you will have to read, analyze, and examine the case thoroughly. Then you will have to identify at least 2-3 key problems that you have to cover in that case study. Then you will have to try to understand why these problems exist. Then study what is the impact of the problems on the situation or organization or the person in the case study. Then find out the answer to who and what is responsible for these problems. Finally, you can suggest possible solutions for the case. When you are writing a case study, you can use this structure. The structure of a case study includes these 6 elements. The first section is an executive summary. An executive summary is an overview of the full case study. It summarizes the most important aspects of the study. Second section is introduction. The main issues related to the case is given here. The third section is the analysis of the issues. It is supported by proper evidence and facts. The next section is discussion. Identify and provide solutions to the issues. Finally, in conclusion, you can sum up the main points. As the last section, you can give references. Now, what are the uses of case studies in teaching? They can be used in lecture-based or discussion-based classes. They bridge the gap between theory and practice. They can provide all relevant data students need to discuss and resolve the central issue or only some of it. It helps the students to identify and possibly fill in the missing information. They can challenge students to examine multiple aspects of a problem. They can make students to propose a solution for the cases or simply identify the parameters of a problem. Now we will wind up the discussion on case study. You will have to identify a case and prepare a report of the case study with the structure that we have already discussed. We'll come up with another video. Thank you for watching and listening.